25. X to the third plus 3x squared minus 4x minus 12. X to the third plus 3x squared plus negative 4x negative 12. X squared, x plus 3 plus negative 4, x plus 3. X squared minus 4, what should I think immediately?
Difference of two squares.
X plus 3, x plus 2, x minus 2, x plus 3. Anyone else? Anyone? We're good?
Tomorrow's our test, right?
Tomorrow is your chapter 5 test, yes. Okay, we're going to go over the chapter 5 practice quiz. Chapter 5 practice quiz. Number 1, 2, F, G to the 6th, H to the 5th, to the 3rd. When you're multiplying and the base is the same, you add the exponents. A power to a power, you multiply. 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8. F to the 3rd, G to the 18th, H to the 15th. Number 2, R to the 8th, S to the 5th, all of it to the 3rd. 8 times 3 is, 5 times 3 is, whoops, that's interesting, S to the 15th. Number 3, 6x squared, y to the 5th, negative 3x, y to the 7th. A lot of people have been having trouble with it, so I'm going to try to explain it again fully. Look just at the fractional part of it, 6 over negative 3. Or I guess it's a coefficient. 6 over negative 3 is what? Negative 2. I have x to the first on the bottom in the denominator, x to the second in the numerator. So I'm going to bring the denominator up to the numerator. It becomes a negative 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Y to the 7th, y to the 5th. I'm going to bring this 5 down. 7 minus 5 is 2. Y to the... So in general, keep the exponents positive. Unless the problem tells you to make it negative, keep the exponents positive. When exponents move, either up or down, the sign switches. Does that switch?
No, it's SWT.
That's what I thought.
And you put then instead of the.
Oh, you guys are so picky. The sign switch, I know it's ES. Yes, dear.
Wait, the sound
Why'd
switches?
you put the fraction? Why couldn't you just put negative 2x and y?
Y to the negative.
No, why'd you put the fraction?
I don't know well, it would be, if you don't put the y to the second in the denominator, then it would be 2x y to the negative 2. And you don't want your exponents negative, for the most part. Dear, could you move your bag off the desk?
Yes.
Number 4. 4x squared y to the negative 3. 12x to the 5th y to the 3rd. So 4 over 12 is 1 over 3. If I move my 2 to the denominator, it's going to become a negative 2, and I have x in the denominator to the 3rd. Now, I have y to the negative 3. If I move it down, what's going to happen to that sign? So now in the denominator, I have y to the 6.